On the third day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 3 candy cons, 2 shares on sale, and a portfolio in the green. Thank you for tuning in. As you can tell, we're counting down the days until Christmas. And of course, we don't have too many. 22 to be exact. If I get that wrong for the first video that I try shooting it for, I will be upset with myself. But that's alright. I'll check afterwards. But we do have earnings coming up on the 10th of December for GameStop. Quarter 3 earnings. Let's freaking go. We're going to make a profit. We've been tightening down on the balance sheet, cutting down expenses, and we're selling locations overseas. And you know what? That's just going to add more cash to our name as a company. So on that note, let's look at the technicals. I'm pretty patient about all of this too. Patience is key, as it is titled in the video, since we are counting down. But, you know, check out the chart on the weekly candle wicks. So as you can tell, this is going back from 2020. We had these little runs, and then we went down, and people thought we were running up, and then we had that bearish trend for a short period of time, for a literal week, and then we started going up, up, and up, and then dipped below, and then pretty much was creating some kind of sentiment towards the holders as it was going towards the upside. So you always got to zoom out. Anytime you feel like you're doubting your stock, zoom out, because patience is key. We've been in this for 4 years. Some of y'all longer. Some of y'all shorter. Regardless of the fact, we green, and we're not going to go anywhere. At least, that's my opinion, of course. Not a financial advisor, by the way. And take everything I say with a grain of salt. But this is us for the week. I think we're just going to stay above that line at $27 and what, 26 cents from what it looks like. Also, Sam wants to say hi to the whole world because he just can't get enough of y'all. And he can't get enough of GameStop too. So I think we're going to bounce off of this support level and continue making our way up. I don't see us going below $20. That's for damn sure. Definitely not happening for a while, if not ever. Could we go back to 26? I could see us going back to 26 because those are crucial levels when it comes to the price action, because there's a lot of consolidation that goes around in that 26 area, whether it's a support level that's being broken down into but still looks like it's strong support, or maybe even resistance like it's showing over here for back in 2022. And then it went up again and tested it in 2023. And again, middle of the year in 2023, and of course we consolidated to the downside for the rest of the year of 2023. And then here we are at 2024 in April, and then May, we run up, boom, we break above that line of the $26, and then we go back down immediately to $20. And then we go back up again in June. And then we used the support line over here for $23 and then broke below it, but we stayed strong above $20. Stayed really strong above these support levels that I have at $18. So $18 is too strong of a support level. There's too many buyers, whether it's retail or institutional. We're all in this and we're holding for the long run. Lots of institutional investors are also turning long instead of short. So that's just my opinion, of course. I haven't looked at the numbers of that quite yet, but that's what the whole world is saying. And if the whole world that knows better is saying that, then they're probably right. But look at us now. We're bouncing up. I want to see us support the, I believe it's $27 level, just to test it as support. And if we look at that as support, then we're good to go. In my opinion, at least. But, you know, even if it goes up, even if it goes down, I'm going to continue accumulating shares every single day that I can, because I work. Well, not this week because I'm kind of sick and I used all of the PTO, or a good amount of PTO that I have this week, because it won't roll over next year. So I'm taking advantage of it and taking my decompression break from work, and I'm going to be hanging out with y'all here more often. So we're counting down the days to Christmas, okay? That's what it is. And GameStop could run up in any moment. It probably won't even be till next year, but hey, you know what? I'm going to keep on accumulating like I have been the past 4 years. Rinse, wash, and repeat. That's how I do it. Stay on beat. Stay in rhythm. Anyways, y'all, I hope y'all have a fantastic rest of the Tuesday evening. Wherever you are in the world, just know that you are fortunate enough to be yourself, being able to wake up every day and being able to do stuff actively. Not everyone has the luxury of doing that. And not everyone also has the luxury of buying GameStop shares. So, you know what? You're blessed. And if you own GameStop shares, you're more blessed. Anyways, y'all, talk to y'all later. One more shout out, or quick shout out real quick. I'm wearing my boy Collector Joey and his shirt, or Collector Joey's shirt. That's one of my homies, one of my best friends in Texas. He has a channel. Go follow him, Collector Joey. He's a part of the collector community. Maybe he'll become a part of the GameStop community too, since we are going to start catering to collectors more. Anyways, y'all, that's the homie. And GameStop's the homie too. Same for Ryan Coin, same for the rest of the board of directors, and same for y'all. Peace out, everybody.